So yesterday we saw the introduction to the Kannada Varnamala, or the collection of letters which are used in Kannada. We can probably try to recollect that today, and if you could also start typing it along with me. So there are these 6 short vowels. I call them Hriswa vowels. Hriswa meaning short. A, I, U, R, A, and O. This is all right. A, I, U, R, A, O. These are the 6 short vowels which you have in Kannada. And along with that, you have 7 long vowels, or the Dirgha Swaras, which is A, I, U, U, and then there's actually a longer version of Ru in Kannada, which is called Ru, which is not there in this uh, set of letters on the Google screen, partly because there are, you very rarely use the long version of Ru, and if you are using writing something from Sanskrit, then Sanskrit doesn't have a short version of Ru. It has only a long version of Ru. So there is that, we'll assume it is there, and we'll just leave a gap for that. So you have U, then you have the long vowel A, and you have the long vowel O. You also consider OW as the long vowel. So you have got 3, 3, 6, and the one we missed, 7. So totally 6 plus 7, 13 swaras. Okay. It's necessary for you to get familiar with this and start practicing it. I'll come to that in a short while. And if you see on your collection of letters on the screen, you will find there is something with a 0, and there's actually also one more one more character which comes in later. Now it looked like a semicolon, but without the comma, 2 dots, so 2 vertical dots. These are called Yavavahas. Yaj means to join, Vah means to flow. Yavavahas means they will flow, or they become pronounceable when you attach it to some swara or to a Vyanjana letter. So for example, if you join it to A, it will become and the 2 dots will become aha. You can simply have im, iha, uha, etc., 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 or kam, kaha, gam, kaha, etc. So these are not really considered letters, but they are symbols which become very useful while writing certain Kannada words. Now, on top of that, you have these so-called Vyanjana letters. Kha, kha, ga, ga. We saw them yesterday. You, the way it is presented is actually not I said yesterday that Vyanjana means you have to add a swara or something to make it pronounced. So the original, for example, in this work, in this first 5 letters, kha, kha, ga, ga, nga, actual letters are k, k, g, g, ng. But these are difficult to pronounce, but they're actually available in your in the keyboard. For example, if I type ka, you will see on the keyboard the actual kakara. It's written k. That is the actual letter. Now, similarly, for example, ga, you have the gakara, which is actually the actual letter, but in the keyboard, it is shown attached to a. So that's how you got ka, ka, ga, ga, nga. So, no. Similarly, for the next set of 5, cha, cha, ja, ja, nya, ta, ta, da, da, na, tha, ta, da, da, tha, tha, da, dha, na, and pa, pa, ba, ba, ma. These are the 25 letters. These are called Vyanjanas because they can be pronounced only after adding a swara, either after the letter or before the letter. For example, for the k, you can write a and k. Ak becomes pronounceable. So you add a swara before or after. These Vyanjana letters become pronounceable. And because of this joining is required, Vyanjana means to join actually. They are called Vyanjana letters. And these are grouped in terms of 5 each. And they are called, therefore, Vargiya or grouped letters, Vargiya Vyanjanas. Now, similarly, you have after these, the letters which are not grouped into anything, the letters ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha, la. So these are the 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1, 7.
I think Lord in the time.
Yara lava. Shasha, saha, la. Oh, I left that. Okay. So they are the Yara lava, Shasha, saha, and la. So 9 letters. So totally you have 5 into 5, 25 plus 9 here. So 34 plus you have the 6 rasvas and 7 dirghas. So 13, 34, 37 plus 10, 47. One would also add and aha. That will become 49. And I said the in Kannada alphabet, you actually have the longer version of Ru. So that will make the whole 50. So therefore, in the Kannada Varnamala, it is normally said that you have got 50 letters. Okay. So by this time, you must have got some familiarity with these letters. Instead, I chose this method of using the letters in the keyboard because you don't have to struggle to get all those curved letters clearly and remember that. it comes with far less effort if we are going to just type them. Now, since you people are all multilingual, you obviously studied Hindi and Sanskrit, and then you know some other mother tongue or the other, you would find that except in Tamil, uh, in the uh, in the other Indian languages, I'm not considering those of belonging to or originated from Arabic, like Urdu, etc., leaving them out. So, no, you find that they all have almost similar kind of letters. How did they become so similar for different languages?
Oh boy.
Somebody wants to say something?
Yeah, I want to say something.
Hmm?
I want to say something.
Okay.
Lohit, right? Indu's son, could you please keep yourself on mute? Because it's disturbing when you keep unmuting yourself.
Yeah.
All right. Now, they have actually origin, from the days of the Vedas, and therefore they all came from the same stock. In fact, there is a beautiful line which says that Nrittavasane Nataraja Rajaha Nanada Dakam Navapanchavaram. That is, at the end of the dance, Shiva, he sounded his damaru. You understand what's a damaru, right? He sounded his damaru Navapanchavaram, that is 14 times, 9 plus 5. And from the sound of that, these letters are supposed to have originated like there are 14 of them. They are actually listed under Maheshwara Sutras. So I will not go into that, but I essentially want to say that you need not be surprised that these letters are similar to what you are seeing in Hindi and Sanskrit. Now, since we know where these letters are, let's start using them. Now, one of the essential things that you must learn while learning a new language is the number system in that language. Luckily, in Kannada, numbering system is very simple. It sort of actually follows the numbers in English, and therefore you don't have to struggle to remember, except for some small changes you have to make. Small changes you have to make with them. Now, I said learning the numbers is very important. That is because, say, you go to a vegetable seller. That fellow will say, Swami, ina tagoltira. He will say, Sautekai beku, hege. He will say, 110 rupai. If you say, 30 rupai ಎರಡು ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯಾ, he'll be very pleased. He'll give you 2. Then you realize your mistake and ask him for the 3. ಎರಡು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡಿ. Now, if you're lucky, if none of your relatives or family friends are around, but if any one of them is there, then it will provide endless mirth in family gatherings virtually throughout your life. Now, to avoid one of those things, first effort one should make is to learn the numbers. So, Numbers are uh, very simple. Now, you also have the characters for the numbers in the screen. For example, why isn't that coming?
Here, no, on the side.
Huh.
Oh, it's coming in English, you know.
I need a question mark or something of that kind. Or some small glitch. Oh, got it. Okay. See, this is how you write one in Kannada. So no, it's very simple and very it runs very close to the Hindi letters, and I think Hindi and Sanskrit letters are the numbers are the same. So no, okay, you people should know because you've done many years of Hindi and Sanskrit. But anyway, let me write. So this is number one. This is how we write it in Kannada. Like for example, if you open a Kannada textbook or a government document, you will find these numbers coming there. And one in Kannada is Ondu. So let's write it out. You type O, then Ondu, you type the 0. And actually the keyboard will prompt you. But let me use the actual typing, the, and then you got the can be made into do. Okay. This is how you get Ondu or one. Now, could you people practice it, please? Hello? Could you practice it and give me a feedback or?
Yes, sir.
Because it will be similar for the rest of the numbers. That's why if you just get to know how to type this Ondu, O, then that is will appear, and then the modification to the will appear. Ondu. Tell me you got it. Anyone? One, that's okay. And actually typing it in Kannada letters, Ondu. One is called Ondu. Okay. Tilu got it. Anybody else?
Pradeep.
Pradeep got one. But can you also type it in Kannada? Ondu.
Yeah, I'm trying to type it, but in the Apple, this is not giving the proper options for me. I'm not getting it.
You will get O, no? O you will get, right?
Yeah.
And then it will give that part of it.
Correct, yeah.
And you will get,
trying it.
Yeah, if you type then it will give you that the dada, didi, dudu, etc.
Yeah, I'm trying it. It's keyboard is not that same as the Android phone. So
even I am having a problem with my iPad stuff to type.
Yeah.
That's why I'm writing it on my notepad.
I know. Try typing it, because you have to get over the problem only once, and afterwards it becomes very easy. Hello.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
we are trying it. Yeah.
Yeah. It doesn't matter. We'll for this. I mean, we'll take some time, but that's perfectly fine. Somebody has typed Bandhu Kamesh Reddy. That is not Bandhu, Vondu. O. Swara O. Mr. Kamesh Reddy?
Yes, sir. I am correcting it.
Oh, excellent. Today we have fewer number of students, is it? Okay.
Sunday opening.
All right. It's easy. It'll only take the first time only you'll have to struggle. Afterwards, it's very simple. You could keep talking if you could keep telling me your difficulties.
Yeah, I got it, sir.
Oh, superb. Yes, you got it. Now, who else? Tillu has got it. Ashish Kumar?
Yes, sir.
Ashish Kumar?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to get it?
No, sir. Sir, I cannot type it, sir.
All right.
Pradeep got it.
Hmm?
Pradeep got one.
Okay.
Also, Kamesh Reddy.
Hmm. Just to remind ourselves how simple it is, let's type this Vondu once more, both as a numeral and in letters. So, one, just follow me. Hello, are you with me? Are you trying to type it again, like the way I did? Hello? It'll be nice to get some voice feedback also.
Hello, I'm writing in the notepad. I'm not able to type it.
Why is that? What is the difficulty?
Jyoti. Sir, I'm not able to do. I'm writing down, sir.
No, that is fine. But what is the difficulty?
Sir, I'm not able to know the key, the year. That's why I'm writing it. No problem, sir.
No, no, no. That is a problem because so no.
Okay. I'll just try, sir. I'll just try, sir.
Yeah, you have the keyboard, right? What is the
No, there
difficulty?
is some confusion. Let me just check.
How?
Pradeep or Bindu, can you help Jyoti?
How you did it? She has to just hold the emoji button for a say, for 5 to 10 seconds. Then you get that keyboard settings, wherein you have to add Kannada also along with English.
Okay. Tilu, I'll do one thing. Today you can continue like this. I'll just check and I'll tomorrow onwards I'll try to see.
No, ma, don't give up.
But we have a problem, which is that the meeting will end in about 8 minutes.
Okay, you can continue. You can continue. Today I'll just check it.
No, it doesn't matter, ma. Just write out. It is
I'm
very
not finding
simple.
No, I'm not finding the emoji, sir. That is the problem.
What
Yeah, I think
emoji?
so. They said
She's
just no,
using
Bindu
Apple.
or someone said no.
Not Android. She's using Apple. So she's.
No, okay. You are not able
Android,
to.
Samsung. Yeah.
Oh, it's Samsung.
Yeah.
Okay. Then Jyoti, you have to long press the keyboard, the space bar. Sorry, in your keyboard.
Okay.
Then you long press it, you'll get an option for different keyboards. Right now I'll say English, and at the bottom it says add keyboard.
No, Tilu, I'm not getting it.
Actually, if the other fonts have not been downloaded, you will not get that option.
Tilu, sir, today you continue, sir. I'll take my son's help and I'll just check what is it. I'm not knowing what is wrong here in my mobile.
Okay, I think anyway we only have
Tomorrow I'll connect to my laptop. Yeah, we know is in. Yeah.
We only have 5 minutes left of class.
Yeah. You continue. No problem.
All right.
Continue, sir. No problem. Yeah.
So after 1, what we need to know is 2. So can you type the numeral 2 in Kannada? You already done 1, so 2 is not a problem.
Class will end in 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Everybody
I
is
just
getting
did it, sir.
Sorry?
I just typed 2.
Yeah, I know. Perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
I saw that. So 2 in Kannada is eradu. I will type the thing. Ra da do. Eradu. ಒಂದು ಎರಡು. There's a nursery rhyme going. ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೊರಡು. ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೊರಡು. A part of a nursery rhyme. Okay. So eradu is simple. Okay.
Yeah, just typed it again.
Superb. So now we'll follow it with 3. Oh, I made a mistake. Three in Kannada is Muru. Ma. Make it Mu. Ra. Ru.
It's going to end in a minute. You want to say? It's going to end in a minute, the meeting.
Yeah, that's okay. ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮೂರು. Hello.
Sir,
So congratulations, we already got 30% of the numbers. ಒಂದು ಎರಡು
Yeah, I
ಮೂರು.
just typed it again, Moro.
ಮೂರು.
Yeah.
Hello. All right. No. So ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮೂರು. Shall we also go for 4 and 5?
yes, sir.
ನಾಲ್ಕು. ನಾ ಲ ಕ ಕು. ನಾಲ್ಕು.
Is it Nalaku or Nalku?
ನಾಲ್ಕು.
It is ನಾಲ್ಕು, but it's usually written as ನಾಲ್ಕು. So
Adhala.
I'll correct it. La, half la,
Not a big look.
ka, ಆಯ್ತು.
4:35 ಆಯ್ತು.
ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Hello. Yes.
Sir, sir, there are still 3 minutes remaining.
3 minutes ಇರ್ಲಮ್ಮ.
Sir, for me at 3 minutes remaining, it's telling.
Yeah, he's right.
Oh.
But we have class is supposed to end.
Then let's go for the 5. ಐದು. Okay. That is almost, that's 50% already. ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಐದು. ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಐದು. You have for 6 ಆರು. ಆರು. ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಐದು ಆರು. Yeah, for 7 ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಐದು ಆರು ಏಳು. Then you are for 8 and 2. And 2. ಒಂಬತ್ತು.
ಒಂಬತ್ತು.
Perfect. ಹತ್ತು. ಒಂದು and ಸೊನ್ನೆ.
Sir,
Tell me, Ma.
sir, there is less than 1 minute.
Less than 1 minute.
Fine. We'll just recollect this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I think we can practice this.
So it's very easy, right? So you not only learned the numbers,